Right. Today's word is important because as everything starts, eventually they end. So let's see how we can say it in Azerbaijani. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have today BAŞA ÇATMAQ. BAŞA ÇATMAQ. BAŞA ÇATMAQ is to be completed, to come to an end, or to expire. Let's see how we can use those in some phrases and then sentences. Phrases first. Project completed. Festival coming to an end, or contract expired. Layihə başa çatdı. Why? Because başa çatmaq, it's an infinitive form. It simply means to end, to complete. But for real life use cases, you're gonna need them in different tenses. Or for example, layihə başa çatır. The project is being completed, basically. It's about to be. This present tense. Layihə başa çatdı. The project completed, past tense. Layihə başa çatacaq. The project will be completed. Hence the different version of başa çatmaq here. Now, festivalın başa çatması. That's another one. The coming to an end of something. Başa çatması. Filmin başa çatması. The movie coming to an end, basically. Now, festival is festival. That's the loan word too. Müqavilə başa çatdı. Contract expired, ended. Müqavilə is a contract. Now let's use this in some sentences for better understanding and use cases. 3 gün davam edən musiqi festivalı axşam saatlarında başa çatdı. Amma şəhərin küçələrində hələ də şənlik ab-havası qalırdı. Let's translate, and then I will read it in the normal flow that an Azerbaijani would read this sentence. The 3-day music festival came to an end in the evening, but a festive mood still lingered in the city streets. Let's see. The 3-day music festival. 3 gün davam eden musiqi festivalı. Now, literal translation is this. The music festival that continued for 3 days. But the right way to translate it, of course, is the 3-day music festival, right? Now, axşam saatlarında, in the evening, again, literal translation means in the hours of evening, basically. Saat is hour, literally. But the right translation, it's basically in the evening, right? Başa çatdı, came to an end. Amma, but, şəhərin küçələrində, in the city streets, şəhər city, şəhərin of the city, basically. Küçələrində, streets, küçə, street, küçələr, streets, küçələrində, the ones in the streets, basically. Hələ də, still, şənlik ab-havası, a festive mood, qalırdı, lingered, continued, basically. Now, another sentence. Müqavilənin müddəti ayın sonunda başa çatır. Buna görə də gecikmədən yeni şərtləri razılaşdırmağımız vacibdir. I promised to read in normal flow previous sentence. Let's go back real quick. 3 gün davam edən musiqi festivalı axşam saatlarında başa çatdı. Amma şəhərin küçələrində hələ də şənlik ab-havası qalırdı. That's all. Maybe let's do this too before translating. Müqavilənin müddəti ayın sonunda başa çatır. Buna görə də gecikmədən yeni şərtləri razılaşdırmağımız vacibdir. I bet this is a long word for you. Razılaşdırmağımız. Razı, someone who is agreeing. Razılaş, agree to this imperative form. Razılaşdır, make it being agreed. Razılaşdırmaq, to, that's again infinitive form of to make something agreed. Razılaşdırmağımız, us agreeing it, making it agreed. But we'll see. I mean, you will see more. Let's translate first. The contract term expires at the end of the month. So it's important that we agree on the new terms without delay. That's what it means. That we agree on. Razılaşdırmağımız. Now, müqavilənin müddəti, the contract term, expires, başa çatır, at the end of the month, ayın sonunda. Buna görə də, so, or that is why, it is important, vacibdir. What is important? That we agree on the new terms. Yeni şərtləri razılaşdırmağımız. Şərt, condition, term, yeni, new. Şərtlər, conditions, terms. Without delay, gecikmədən. Gecikmək, to be late. Gecikmədən, without being late, meaning without delay. Now, that was today's word, başa çatmaq. Let's see how well some maybe dad joke uses. My weekend tried to başa çatmaq, but emails had other plans. To help you in your Azerbaijani language journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available on App Store and Google Store. Feel free to download it and start using it right away. Where Module 1, I'm giving it away for free. It's the foundational module in learning language. I'm also giving away all the vocabulary words in all the modules in the app and more modules that will come to the app. I also have masterazerbaijani.com, where I've been posting blogs every 10 days since November 2025 on multiple topics. I'm giving there more tips and tricks on language and grammar. I'm also giving you some tips, context on history and culture of the language. Feel free to check this out. Otherwise, I'll be around for another word tomorrow. I'll see you there. Cheers.